Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, for the first you have to go for your sound recorder. And as you can see right here, we don't have a recorder. So we have to move for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here sound recorder. You have to get one of these applications. I think that I'm going for this one. Click install. And right now we can open. Accept all of the permissions. And right now if you want to start the record, you have to tap right here. And as you can see, the smartphone starts recording sounds. And if you want to finish, of course, we have to tap it one more time. Here we got our record. We can rename, we can just save it straight. And right now we can also try it how it sounds. So let's go here, close the ad, and let's check it. Recording sounds. And if you want to finish, of course, we have to. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs up. Whoa. Sorry guys, sorry. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.